So it's been like 2 months since we haven't reviewed any shoes in the channel, so it is time. Today we have Reebok. So this is the Reebok Court Light, I think it was the model, or Court Clean. Sorry, this is the Reebok Court Clean shoes. These are men's shoes, but they could be used as unisex as well. So today we're gonna unbox them, and stay till the end of the video because I cheated a bit. I already wore them one time, so I have some comments already about these shoes. And let's cut to the unboxing and see what is inside this Reebok Court shoes. And they're in navy blue. Let me take it out so you can see them better. White bottom part and entirely navy blue with the signature Reebok logo. Here this is not genuine leather, so as you can see it already shows some signs of wear, even though they have been tested just one time for this video. They're almost as new, to be honest. And here is the bottom part and the inside. Let me show you real quick how is the inside. Does it look? It's softly padded. They feel comfortable, to be honest. During the first test I don't have any complaints with the comfort, but let's take the other shoe out. Here it is, and on the back you have Reebok as well, and here as well, with entirely blue laces. And yeah, this is how they look. And few comments, they are relatively comfortable, to be honest. During the first test they're relatively comfortable. Also, I got them quite cheap. As you can see on the box right here, it says 46 euros, but I got them for around 30, which is a fantastic deal for sneakers like this. And a few months ago, or actually last year, I bought these Levi's shoes, which I wore quite some time, and it was time for some kind of change, upgrade. I'll still keep this. I'll use them probably 2-3 times more before throwing them. You can check the full review of these Levi's white sneakers in my channel. But let's put this on the side. And my biggest concern with this shoe is these marks here, because this part, the front part, is not cut with different pieces, which reduces the chance of this part looking very worn out after relatively short time. And this is my biggest concern, that they are gonna feel and look very used even after couple of times wearing them. Other than that, they're simple, stylish, and they look just fine to me. So for the asking price around 30 euros, they are probably fine. I wouldn't spend more, to be honest. Even the premium brand Reebok is a good brand. They have some fantastic shoes, but for this particular model I'm a bit skeptic. Let's give it some time and see how is the comfort and the wear and tear after a few months, and I'll probably get back to you in another video. So stay tuned and subscribe, and I'll see you later.